You know those moments where you question how water resistant your non-water resistant camera is, and then you think, fuck it, and continue shooting anyways? Well, this was one of them. What's happening, guys? We're here at an Unyoked cabin about an hour and a half north of Sydney for a film shoot, and I just wanted to do a little bit of behind the scenes, show you guys what's actually going on and what a weekend at Unyoked is actually like. But we woke up at 5 AM for this epic, super cloudy sunrise drone shot, but she'll be right. But before we get going, just have a listen to that. That's not special effects. Anyways.
So what's happening, Tom?
We lost signal. Pretty standard, actually.
Yeah?
That was terrible. That's what happens when you have no battery. Unadvisable. But we got the shot. Alright, so drone shot complete, but before we continue, I'm just going to give you a super quick tour of what this awesome hut actually looks like. So, most importantly, Roxanne.
Hey.
How you doing?
Yeah, it's amazing.
This is just unreal. Literally sleeping under the stars. Or the clouds in this instance, but that's not the point. So the guys at Unyoked have kitted us out with everything we need to cook. We got running water, which is a mad plus. Mined all of our junk, loads of storage, but most importantly is what's in this bag here, which is the provisions bag. And then here is where all the good stuff lies. All the marshmallows, the chocolate, the s'mores, the schnapps, the beer. There's also a fridge, I forgot about that. But they've got us set up and ready to go. Anyways, moving on to the shot. We have the camera set up here, and I'm gonna get ready for bed myself, and we're gonna get into bed and look out the window as if we're waking up to this beautiful sunrise, which kinda happened, kinda didn't happen, but it's all for the shoot. Alright, so we've got our first two shots setting up the story of a morning at Unyoked, and the next thing I want to do is set up the hike sequence. And I want to do this by starting over by the far cabin window, which was the last thing we saw, and then spin the camera around to Roxanne, leaving the cabin, setting out on a hike. Let's see how this goes. Breakfast time. I think pancakes?
Yeah, pancakes.
Woo. All right.
Let's go.
I think we burnt them.
The next one will be better.
Luckily the guys at Unyoked have supplied us a few packets of pancakes, so...
We failed.
Oh my god.
No.
Alright.
Which one do you want?
We have no idea how to cook pancakes. Thank you, Unyoked, for providing us all of these awesome provisions, but filming's our forte, not cooking. Who would have thought packet pancakes would be such a disaster? It's remotely grammable. Oh hey, didn't see you there. We were just down by the river shooting this epic hike sequence and started bucketing down with rain, thunder, lightning. We got scared, so we came back to the cabin. And when it stops raining, we're gonna take you back there. So this is that epic river shot that I was talking about earlier. So what we've got here, we have the camera set up right over here, and we are basically gonna hike down this path here, looking pretty, and it's gonna set up the opening of our hiking sequence, which will then eventually, spoiler alert, lead into a campfire sequence, which should be mint if the firewood's not too wet, but we'll see how that goes. That nothing happened though. We expected more from that.
Yeah, it's not champagne, it's the wine.
Oh well. Not a bad fire. Anyways, the sun's just come out. You can see it just up over here. And it's probably the first bit of like sunny ray we've had all day. So we want to get the drone up, try get us having a good time by the fire with the beer.
Woke up from a whisper, collared shirt down by my feet, stood on crowded bedroom rug, voices filled the rooms upstairs. Our Ford was warm before we drove. Breakfast fresh on the stove. She walked out.
So we've just finished our sunrise time lapse and we're about to head inside the hut and let's try not burn some pancakes this morning. Let's go.
Everyone was near.
Alright guys, it's been a pretty relaxing morning, but we're about to head out now and just grab a couple photos hiking around the place, but we're going to end the vlog now. It's been a wild stay at Unyoked and it's going to be a pretty chill day, but here are a couple of the photos we took today.
Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again. Hold on, we'll be home again.
Oh hey, didn't see you there. We were just down. Also, fun fact, all of the bird noises and wildlife noises you hear in this video, they're not post-production, they're real.